What's Blizzard Entertainment? Blizzard Entertainment is a video game developer and publisher that is known for creating some of the most popular and influential games in the industry. Blizzard Entertainment was founded in 1991 as Silicon and Synapse, and later became part of Activision Blizzard in 2008. Some of the games that Blizzard Entertainment has created or published are Warcraft, a series of real-time strategy, role-playing, and online games set in a fantasy world of orcs, humans, elves, and other races. The first game, Warcraft, Orcs and Humans, was released in 1994, and the latest game, Warcraft Rumble, is a mobile action strategy game that was announced in 2023. Diablo, a series of action role-playing games set in a dark and gothic world of demons, angels, and humans. The first game, Diablo, was released in 1996, and the latest game, Diablo 4, is an upcoming game that was revealed in 2019. StarCraft, a series of real-time strategy games set in a science fiction world of aliens, humans, and robots. The first game, StarCraft, was released in 1998, and the latest game, StarCraft 2, was released in 2010. Overwatch, a team-based action game set in a futuristic world of heroes, villains, and robots. The first game, Overwatch, was released in 2016, and the latest game, Overwatch 2, is an upcoming game that was announced in 2019. Hearthstone, a strategy card game set in the Warcraft universe. The game was released in 2014 and has over 100 million players worldwide. Blizzard Entertainment is also known for its online gaming platform, Battle.net, which allows players to connect, chat, and play with each other. Blizzard Entertainment has won many awards and accolades for its games and has a loyal fan base around the world. If you want to know more about Blizzard Entertainment and its games, you can check out their official website or their Wikipedia page. Learn more. 1. Blizzard Entertainment.